Tools for audio collaboration. So, as music teachers working remotely, it can be quite tricky to find the right tool to play live music with your students, or for your students to rehearse live music, whether it's just a rock band or simply a pianist and a singer. Now, Zoom, it works. It doesn't work. I'm not so convinced. Even though Zoom has released a new feature, like turn on original audio, which makes things better, I thought of another solution. Basically, like podcasters record their episodes with podcast guests using some tools that are not necessarily Zoom or Skype. They use, for example, Zencastr or Riverside FM. And I think it might suit musical playing as well. So I've just sent an email invitation to my brother to join my podcast, but in this case, it's gonna be, like a music recording. Actually, you can invite many more people than just my brother, actually. So let's say you have a music group composed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12? You can invite them all. So brother has joined my recording now. I'm playing the ukulele. He's singing. We didn't really rehearse this. It was just a way to try Zencastr. And so I'm gonna play the audio now. I haven't edited it. However, note that the good thing about Zencastr is that it separates each audio track according to how many guests you've invited to your podcast, or in this case, to your music channel.
Hey, you've been going so crazy lately. Nothing seems to be going right. Solo, why do you have to get so low? You've been waiting in the sun too long.